There is a electric fan oven with grill located in the property. To use this, you have two dials. On the left hand side you have your temperature and power, and then on the right hand side you can select what sort of setting you want. So for example, here on the left you have, first of all, this is grill with fan, this is grill without fan, and then you have on the right hand side to cook with the fan. To set the temperature, you just turn the dial here, this will light up, and this light will turn off when the oven is at temperature. At the end of cooking, please turn all these dials to 0 to ensure everything is off. Thank you.